At Next Level Physiotherapy, right here in Dubai Marina, our whole focus is on one thing: getting active people like you back to doing what you love, but without the pain. So if you're a runner or you're serious about your time in the gym and something's holding you back, well, you're in the right place. So let me ask you, does this sound familiar? You're in a great routine, you're making progress, and then that little nagging pain starts to creep in. And before you know it, you're forced to stop or pull back. It is such a frustrating cycle, and believe me, it's something we see every single day in our clinic. But here's the thing you really need to understand. That pain isn't just your body's way of saying, stop. It's your body telling you that it can't quite handle the demands you're putting on it. And what we've seen time and time again is that just resting, it's almost never the real long-term answer. Look, we specialize in the exact kind of issues that sideline runners and people who love the gym. We're talking about things like shin splints, runner's knee, all those annoying tendon pains, calf strains. These are the conditions we see and successfully treat day in and day out because we focus on getting to the real root cause. Okay, so let's dig into the big question. Why does the pain keep coming back, even after you've taken time off to rest? This is so important because it gets to the heart of that frustrating cycle so many people get trapped in. Let's break it down. This right here shows the two paths you can take. On one side, you have that all too common cycle. You rest, you feel a bit better, you jump back into training, and boom, the pain comes right back. But our approach, it's totally different. We start by assessing the why. Then we actively rebuild your body's capacity, and we teach you how to manage your training load. That's the path that leads to results that actually last. You know, this really is the core of our philosophy. In our 11 years of clinical experience helping thousands of people, we've learned that recurring pain almost always boils down to one thing: a capacity issue. The injured area just isn't strong or resilient enough for the stress you're putting on it. So our job isn't to tell you to stop, it's to build that capacity back up. So how do we get you there? Well, everything we do starts with understanding the full picture. See, a successful recovery isn't about just treating the part that hurts. It's about finding out exactly why that spot became overloaded to begin with. Our one-on-one assessment is incredibly thorough, and it's all about you. We always start by just listening to your story, your goals, your frustrations. Then we get you moving, and we analyze everything. But maybe the most important part? We explain it all to you in plain English, so you leave knowing exactly why you're in pain. And only then do we build your personalized roadmap to get you back to peak performance. Okay, so this leads us right into the active part of your recovery. Our whole approach isn't about passive treatments or quick fixes. It's about you and us working together to actively make your body more robust and way more resilient. Now, your plan is going to be completely tailored to you. It'll probably be a mix of hands-on therapy for sure, but also progressive strengthening. And this is absolutely key: guidance on how to safely manage your training load as you get back to it. This is how you keep moving forward without those frustrating setbacks. And listen, the ultimate goal here isn't just to get you pain-free. It's to empower you, to get you back to your sport with more knowledge, better movement, and complete confidence in your body's ability to perform. This is our promise. This is what our whole team is committed to. We don't just want you back in the gym or back on your run. We want you there feeling stronger, more in control, and frankly, more confident than you were even before the injury. So what does this actually feel like in the real world? Well, imagine your workouts with less pain. Imagine being able to handle more distance or more weight without that fear in the back of your mind. Imagine finally breaking free from that cycle of flare-ups. That's what a smart, structured plan can do for you. So, you might be wondering, why do so many active adults and athletes right here in the Dubai Marina community choose to work with us? Honestly, I think it comes down to our dedicated, goal-focused approach that's built for your lifestyle. Our commitment to you is really simple. You get dedicated one-on-one care from DHA-licensed physiotherapists who live and breathe sports injuries. We give you clear guidance and a structured plan in a professional, calm setting, all designed to get you back to your active life safely and even more effectively. So, I guess the real question is this: are you ready to stop that cycle of pain and frustration and actually get back to doing what you love? If pain is holding you back, a structured, expert-led approach isn't just an option. It's the thing that will finally set you free.